please help us acknowledge the choreographer for the show, Alfie Mosquera. I want you to give him another round of applause. Sorry for that. And as well as the musical director for this, Mr. Ned Landrina, and the overall director sitting there in the sound booth, Mr. Rudy Alvarez. And also, if you want to have a photo for 2ADs with us, you can come up on stage after the rerun of the final song for the night. And you can also check your pictures at our website, it's laquanza.ph. You can also add us on Facebook, it's Laquanza Resto Lounge. You can also check your photos in there. Just make sure your cameras have your memory cards with you. Kung wala, good luck.